see what I have in store for you today, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just face. All right, guys, today is just face. Well, you have reached Regina's Way, and today I will be showing you how I just get my face ready for a regular day. Now, y'all know I don't wear foundation and stuff like that, so I'm just going to show you what I do to take care of my skin. All right. Now, this is bottled water. Y'all know that I use filtered water or bottled water on my face as well as my hair. So once you cleanse your face, you are going to pat it dry. All right. That's the first step. Now, in this bottle is toner, it's facial toner. And I really spray my whole body. If I'm taking a bath, I spray my whole body. But we're talking about the face today, so that's what's in this bottle here. Now, I have a lot of these bottles sitting around, y'all, and I label my bottles. Yes, I do. That black one is for my face. It has toner in it, and the white one is my bottled water for my face and my hair, because I wake up my hair with bottled or filtered water. So after you spray your face, we're going to let this toner dry. This right here is eye serum, okay? It's eye serum. And so you just put a little bit, you don't need much, and you can just rub it into your eyes. Now, you all be looking out for another video because I will be showing you all the little apparatuses that you can use to distribute your serums and your facial creams and things of that nature. And also it will massage your face and lift your face and keep your face toned and tight. So y'all got to be looking out for those videos. So we're going in a circle now around our eyes counterclockwise, but I will be bringing you all a video on how to massage your face. All right, that's enough of that right there. So that is worked in, okay? That is worked in. Let's move on to the next step. So we just applied the eye serum on our eyes. So now let's move on to the face serum. This is my face serum, you all. Now we are going to apply this to our face and our neck. Please do not forget to apply this to the back of your neck as well. Okay, you all? So we are going to put this on and we are going to work this in. You guys, if you are appreciating this information that I am bringing you about how to take care of your skin, then y'all know what to do. Do not forget to hit the comment, like, subscribe, and share button. And also, if available, hit the hype button as well, y'all. So let's get back to this facial routine. We are not done, y'all, not by a long shot. Now, this is our cream. This is retinol cream. I love retinol creams and collagen creams. Whatever your face is calling for, that is what you apply, okay? So now we have applied our facial serums and everything for our eyes and our face. Now let's put on our facial cream. I love using a makeup brush, y'all. So when y'all go to the spa, they use a makeup brush, so you at home, act like it's a spa. And we just going to apply that. We're going to paint that all over. And I will express again, do not forget the back of y'all neck, okay? Please don't forget the back of y'all neck. And because this is a retinol facial cream, we're going to put this around our eyes as well. And I'm just showing you all how this brush is. It's really a makeup brush. One end is for your eye makeup. The other end is for your foundation. But I love it to, put on my facial cream and everything, y'all. Now it is time for me to get ready and dress for the day. But before I do all that, let me just put on some clothes. Now, today's makeup is going to be simple. This is a Kiss eyebrow cream. You all, this is some nice stuff. So we are going to put on our brows. Now, this is going to be a simple, everyday makeup look for every occasion, whether you are just around doing your little chores or whatever like that, going to the gym. Now, one of the things I am always going to do is fill in my brows, you all. Yes, I am. And I really do like this eyebrow cream by Kiss. I really do. So we are going to fill that in. We're not going to do a lot. I'm going to tell you right now, this makeup look is going to be very simple. We are going to probably do 3 things, okay? Now this is LA Girl Concealer, and I am just going to put that on my brush, and I am just going to clean up around my eyebrows and make them look nice and neat. So you all, I hope you are enjoying the video. A lot of this stuff that I am showing you is really easy and inexpensive, but effective. All right, so we are just going to finish up our eyebrows, and then I will show you the next step, which will be our lashes. Yes, our lashes. Now, I do not like heavy lashes on my face. We are going to put those lashes on, make sure they are in the right position. And now that they are in the right position, let's put the other one on, you all. Look at that. Nice and easy. Doing my lashes, that keeps me from having to wear mascara and eyeliner. So now that we have all of that on, look how light those lashes look. I like to put Carmex on. I like to put Carmex on my lips or a simple colored lip gloss, okay? So now that our lashes is on, we are going to get to these earrings, all right? We are going to put our earrings on, something nice and simple. And after I put my earrings on, you all, I will be showing you all how I am going to wear my hair today. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to wear my hair, especially after I have given myself a treatment. You know, like a rice water or aloe vera and water or a deep conditioner or even a protein treatment on my hair. I love to leave my hair alone. If you notice, I had a satin wrap on my head first because anything that you wear on your hair other than satin or silk, it will slowly eat your hair out, ladies. So always protect your hair first, then wear your hat or scarf or whatever you're going to wear on your head. Now this, I am just showing you simply how I am wrapping this around. By now, you all, I hope you have hit that comment, like, subscribe, and share button. And also leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know. All right, you already know that I am going to answer you back. You all, you are at Regina's Way, but I also have another channel that deals strictly with hair and hairstyles, and that's on Regina's TV, okay? So go and support both channels. Y'all go and support both channels. Now look at this. I am just wrapping my hair up, y'all. Wrapping my hair up. I'm about to walk out of here. The first thing that I am going to do is go work out. Once I go work out, then I'm still set for the rest of my day. You are going to make sure that this is on your hair nice and secure, and you're going to fix everything up. You see I left that hole right there, but trust me, trust and believe, I fixed that before I left up out of the house. Well, that is about it. I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section down below anything else that y'all would want to know. But your girl is set for today. If you like this little jogging suit I got on, which I absolutely love, you all, they had them on sale at Walmart, and I got like a dozen of them. But that is on this channel as well, Regina's Way. I'll be showing you all sales, decorating tips, how to save money on Regina's Way, supplements for our skin, as well as to lose weight, and as well as for our health. See me straightening up that scarf? I'm straightening up the scarf right now. So I'm about to get out of here, y'all. I just want to show y'all that. So you have reached Regina's Way, and I will see you in the next one. Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.